In front of me is OPPO FIND N2 FLIP, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down and tap on password and security. Then click on face and enter your current login method. Then select continue. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. When you're ready, select done and adjust all of those options however you wish to by tapping on the switchers next to the chosen ones. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. If you wish to disable it, click on face, enter your screen lock, and tap on this switcher next to screen unlock. You can enable it the same way. If you wish to delete your face data, click on delete next to face data and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!